Alright guys, welcome. Today it's 22nd of May 2020. It's day 11 of my live trading analysis for Forex and the commodities. So yeah, it's coming to the end of the week and hope everyone is well. And let's jump right into a couple of the currencies we're going through today. So we're going to start off with a little bit of recap. What happened yesterday is we looked at the buying of Aussie dollar and buying of gold, as well as platinum we can look to buy over the next couple of days. So that's something that we'll be looking at and see how things play out for these three markets. All right, so next we're gonna go through what we have the current positions. So Aussie dollar currently still in trade and a little bit of unrealized profits right now. So price has given back, a bit of the a bit of the profits have been given back. So we will see what we can do with them. And yeah, let's go right into it. So Aussie dollar, yesterday was to actually look at buying. So let's see. Trend is has now turned up and start of a new trend. But price actually came down. So as you can see, this pink line actually starts to come up. Especially the lower numbers are taken off. So the red line is actually looking to, let's see, red line is a little flat now. Blue line is down, and over the next couple of days we are in a situation where pretty much a flat situation of the lines. So we could expect some kind of a choppiness in the market. But let's see if this continues the trend. So we could probably look at keeping our stop loss tight, which is around here. So just gotta wait and see, especially with the trend starting to turn up. Give it a bit of a couple of days more. I think it's all right with a couple of down days. But if I would say to put a trade, definitely has to be in a concurrent mode, which is the pink line and red line that should turn up. So currently not seeing that much of a picture, except for it would turn up over the next couple of days if the blue line stays around here, because you come off the few points. These few lines will come off. So still favoring buy, but picture not as solid now, given that right now it's price has dipped a bit. So we would want to see price starts to turn up soon, but we also have to bear in mind that it takes a couple of days before it goes up. So based on the past price pattern, right, it has actually 5 days of down days before it start going up. And then here as well, 5, and it went up again. So here 5, and then went up a little bit but didn't make a bigger high. And then here 5, and then went up again. So there are 5 down days pauses before it goes up to make a high. And the prices that goes high, it will be 6 6 7 days. And here 7 6 and nothing, a little bit of a sideways market here. So so you can see that actually has passed, it shows 6 days ups, but over here it starts to show 1 2 3 and then starts to come down. So a little bit of a price pattern change in terms of the pace. So might want to be take a little bit of note here. So right, overall bottom line, we will still hold this position to buy, but with the conservative stop loss, and just observe and see what happens from here. So interesting market to be looking at. All right, next one will be euro dollar. Nothing much to be excited over here with this trendiness that's so sideways and choppy. But as you can see, we are making a series of lower highs over here. So that could be some kind of a positive action. But not the best looking market that I'll look at. So just gotta observe the euro dollar. So but yeah, nice to see this little bit of lower high in terms of the lines for euro. So something to take note of this lower highs, and see what happens when what happens to it. Okay, for pound, right now we are in a situation where it's a downtrend, but kind of slowed down because of these numbers are actually taking off the lower numbers, and but price is still hovering here, so very flat market. We're gonna skip this. Nothing much to do over here. We only want to trade the best trending markets. So for gold, let's see. Okay, gold. So price is trend is up. A little bit of update right now. Previous day was down on the 21st May, uh, which is gave back some of the profits. Uh, and then for the red line, it is kind of showing a little bit of down and flatness with the blue line down as well. So a little bit disappointing of this movement to see that it popped up high, but kind of slowed down a little. So but overall, definitely looking to buy the market with this trend. But currently, there isn't much to show in terms of the lines not showing that much of a strength in terms of the reflection to buy. So no buy at this moment. But if you guys have bought, might want to look at taking out profits, or shifting stop loss to at least the break even or make it a little bit of profits for now. So can take out some of the profits and let the rest ride. Given that the trend would be looking at the upside. So yep. If have not entered, would not enter now. We would want to see a bit more confirmation of the blue and the red lines. Okay, natural gas is very choppy, so not looking at this trade right now, given that the margin of error or for the trend to change picture, there isn't much, so very flat and sideways market, so skipping this. For platinum, we will see a big down day yesterday after a huge pop up. So looks like yeah. So based on what we actually said yesterday, which is observed a couple of more days, 2 to 3 days from yesterday, to buy. So true enough, there is the high blue line has given shown signals that actually is too high and then lost its momentum and come down. So this momentum shows a very good picture when it comes when price goes down. This is at its high as well. So overall picture still looking pretty solid in terms of uptrend, as long as it stay within this pricing range. For it to start turning its picture, we would need to come down, need to have the price come down around this high, this pricing of about 711. So don't see that happening. So look to buy over the next couple of days or even a week now, and see how it performs in terms of the blue and the red line. So same. So look to buy. I'll just write a note. Buy. Look to buy in say 2 to 3 days, depending on the blue line. Right. So but little worry, because this red bar has been very strong downwards. So a bit of a worry. We don't want it to become too don't want it to go down further. If not, this would have given up. This profits would have been given up. So if you guys have already longed it, would probably shift stop loss to break even, or at least make some profits from this case. Yeah. All right, the loonies are totally flat, and nothing we can do, nothing we want to do, just observe for now. And Yeah, this is for Canadian loonies. USD market, same thing, very flat, no action day as well. So, yeah, overall, pretty uh, flat markets. I'll probably need to come up with more markets to look at. Probably include the cotton as well. Um, to put in more, um, commodities to uh, look at. If not, it'll be starting to have too short of a commentary. So I'll probably add the crude oil West Texas and the cotton in as well. Let's see what else we can look at. Silver? Yeah, why not? We could look at silver. Maximum chart window has been reached. Oh yeah. Let's see. What do we want to? Okay, fine. So yeah, well, there's only a maximum number of charts we can open apparently. So yeah, that's all for the today's analysis. Nothing much to do, except to probably look at euro, which is making a little higher highs, in terms of the blue line here. So want to see uh how prices pan out over the next couple of weeks for this to be changing. So, and then as well as platinum. Where's platinum? Yeah, platinum. We'll see this blue line came down sharply, and the last time it came down sharply, the next closest was this, right? And the market starts to crash. So let's just see how the picture play out. Um, yeah. So that's all, guys. All right. See you.